Do you want to learn how to add a BlueSky social bot on Discord? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. Like here in my Discord server, I've created this channel, BlueSky, and in it, I have the SkyCord app. This is a bot or BlueSky, which we will add on our Discord server. And what this bot does is check, for example, my profile, checks the recent post, and it takes those posts and embed them to your channel. Yesterday, I posted a new post here that says test, and I took that post and embed it to our channel. Now, in order to add SkyCord to our Discord, we need to use this, which is on Discord app directory. I will put the link in the description. This SkyCord can be added to your server by clicking on this button. It says add app. Inside overview, you can see that it can watch up to 3 BlueSky social accounts per server. For example, on this server, I have already added one user, so I can add 2 more on top of this to watch their post. Simply click on this add app and it's going to give you a pop-up. Inside this, add server, select a server, then continue and keep these selected, then authorize. And then SkyCord will be added to your server. Inside where it showed up, in the message section, type /. Then in here, you can click on help. And it's going to give you all the commands that you can do on your server with SkyCord. For example, if you want to add a feed on a channel, first create a channel from here, give it a name, and then create channel. This is how I created this BlueSky channel. And then type in / add feed. Type in the handle username that you want to watch posts for. And then in channel, select the channel where you want the bot to post to. For example, I added BlueSky, this hashtag BlueSky, this channel. In handle, I added my own profile handle. Now these are 4 more options. You can select them and enter a custom message and all these. Now once done, it's going to start embedding recent post from your profile or any profile that you have asked it to watch on this channel. And let's say, for example, on my BlueSky social app, I click on new post and create a new post here. Now click on post. Now let's go back to Discord, and here it has created a new post on this channel, BlueSky. And that's it. This is how to add a BlueSky social bot on your Discord server. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.